Good afternoon, students. Today we'll discuss about the excretory system. So, in the excretory system or else urinary system, what are the organs which plays an important part for functioning? So, you will find two kidneys. Okay, you will find two kidneys and two ureters. This is the two ureter, and you will see the next is what? Bladder or else urinary bladder also you can say. This is the urinary bladder, and the last is urethra. This is the urethra. Understand? तो हम लोग को यूरिनरी सिस्टम भी बोल सकते हैं और एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम भी बोल सकते हैं. तो ये जो सारे यूरिनरी सिस्टम और एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम में हम लोग को क्या क्या देखने को मिलेगा? दो किडनी, 1 2 दो किडनी, उसके बाद दो यूरेटर, ये जो पाइप का जैसा है ना, इसको यूरेटर बोलते हैं, और एक यूरिनरी ब्लैडर और एक यूरेथ्रा. तो ये सारे ऑर्गन्स हैं जो हम लोग को यूरिनरी सिस्टम पे दिखाई देगा. So these are the organs which plays an important part or important role for excretory system, means urinary system. So first, let's see. You have two kidneys. These two kidneys, what do? They secrete urine. Means they make urine, you can say. तो ये first जो organ है, उसको क्या है? दो किडनी है, और ये दो किडनी क्या करता है? secrete urine, मतलब यूरिन बनाता है. Okay. Next is ureter. So this is a ureter 1 2. This is a two ureter, and this ureter, what is the function, or what is the part of this ureter? The ureter from this kidney they makes urine, isn't it? So from this kidney the urine they will go and pass in this ureter. Listen, they will flow here, they will flow over here, and where they will go to the urinary bladder, and at last they will go to the urethra, and afterwards the exterior, that is what? Here, the reproductive system part, it will go there. Understand? तो ये किडनी क्या क्या करेंगे? ये किडनी यूरिन बनाएगा, उसके बाद यूरेटर पे चला जाएगा. यूरेटर पे जाके कहाँ पे वो होगा? ब्लडर पे. ठीक है, ये ब्लडर है, यूरिनरी ब्लडर भी बोल सकते हैं. तो ये यूरिनरी ब्लडर में जाके उसके बाद यूरेथ्रा पे चला जाएगा. ठीक है, समझ में आया? Do you understand everyone about the urinary system?
Amen.
Okay, so what are the functions of the kidney? The function of the kidney is that they form urine, and also this as well as they will secrete urine. तो ये किडनी का काम क्या है? ये यूरिन बनाता है, फॉर्म करता है, secrete भी करता है. And what is the second one? The second one is that they produce or else they will secrete erythropoietin, the kidney. This erythropoietin is what? Erythropoietin is the name of the hormone which makes RBC, that is the red blood cells. Understand? They make the red blood cells, RBC. First they form the urine, then afterwards they secrete urine. Afterwards, what will they do? This kidney, they will produce and they will secrete erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is what? Erythropoietin is the hormone which you will find in the kidney, and they make RBC, that is the red blood cells. तो ये किडनी क्या करता है? ये इरेथ्रोपोइएटिन बनाता है. और इरेथ्रोपोइएटिन क्या? इरेथ्रोपोइएटिन एक हार्मोन है जो आरबीसी बनाते हैं. आरबीसी मतलब रेड ब्लड सेल्स बनाते हैं. And the next is what? Excretion of waste and toxins. Whatever harmful particles, whatever harmful materials is there in your body, it will come out in the form of urine. Understand? It will come out in the form of urine. And the second, the last one is what? They will produce and also they will secrete renin. Renin is what? Renin is an enzyme which controls the blood pressure. Understand? तो ये क्या करेगा किडनी, ये जो सारे टॉक्सिन्स है जो हमारे शरीर के लिए अच्छे नहीं है, जहरीला है, ये सब इसको निकाल देगा। ठीक है, और नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे ये लोग, ये मतलब रेनिन, रेनिन प्रोड्यूस करेगा, मतलब रेनिन बनाएगा। रेनिन क्या है? रेनिन एक एंजाइम है जो हमारे ब्लड प्रेशर को मतलब कंट्रोल करता है। ठीक है, समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड फंक्शन ऑफ किडनी everyone?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can you show the second slide one time?
This one. This one. This, you are talking about this one, this slide. Yes, Johnson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This one or
Ma'am,
what?
ma'am, this one, erythropoietin.
Erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is the name of the hormone which you will find in the kidney. And this, what does it do? This erythropoietin, they will make RBC, that is the red blood cells. Understand? They will help in what to say, stimulating. They will help they will help in forming, in making red blood cells. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Any
Thank you,
doubts,
ma'am.
everyone? समझ में आया सबको? Okay, next is location. Where does your kidney lie? किडनी कहाँ पे है, मतलब कौन सा एरिया, कौन सा जगह पे है? So your kidney lies in the posterior abdominal wall. Posterior means what? Posterior means back, at the back, पीछे। ठीक है, ये किडनी पीछे में है। Posterior abdominal wall. Abdomen means what? Means in your stomach area side, it is located there. So at the back side, it is located. This kidney. It is located at the back side of the abdominal wall on each side of your vertebral column. You remember, na, vertebral column? This is the vertebral column. Okay, this is the vertebral column. Then this kidney, they lie on each side, in the right side and the left side. They are situated in both sides. Understand? Behind the peritoneum means at the back of the peritoneum. Peritoneum, it lies at the front, you can say, and this kidney, they lies at the back. They starts from where? They starts from fourth thoracic vertebra. You remember, no, in the vertebral column, in the bones we have studied about vertebral column. So it starts from there. It starts from 12 thoracic vertebra, means T12. T12 till where? L3 means lumbar vertebra. Understand? It stops here from T12 till this one, L3. That is lumbar vertebra. Did you understand? And this kidney, they are protected by what? They are protected by lower rib cage. Means downside of your ribs, no? Means your rib cage. They are protected by the rib cage. And you will find that the right kidney, this is the right kidney. The right kidney is a bit lower compared to the left kidney. Why? Because liver is located here, the right side. Okay, means because of the pressure of the liver, or because of the space of the liver occupied at the upper side, you will find that the right kidney is a bit lower compared to the left kidney. Understand? I'll repeat again. Where does your kidney lie? The location of your kidney. The location of your kidney is at your backside. Means posterior. Is located at your backside. That is the posterior side. On the means at the abdominal wall, back of your abdominal wall. And you will find in each side of your vertebral column. Means this is your vertebral column. Remember, no, this is your vertebral column. So they will lie in each side, both sides, right side and the left side. And they start from where? They start from 12 thoracic vertebra. This is your thoracic vertebra, means thoracic vertebra 12 number. It will start and it will end where? It will end in the third lumbar vertebra. Means this is a lumbar vertebra, so it will end here. Understand? And you will find that the right side of the kidney, this side, is a bit lower compared to the left side of the kidney. Why? Because there is liver. Liver is located above this upside of this kidney. So because of that, you will find that the right kidney is a bit lower compared to the left kidney. तो अभी हम लोग किडनी कहाँ पे है, कौन सा जगह पे है, हम लोग देखेंगे। तो किडनी कहाँ पे है? किडनी मतलब पीछे में है। ये जो वर्टिब्रल कलम है, ये वर्टिब्रल कलम है, ये पीछे तरफ है, बैकबोन। तो ये किडनी कहाँ से शुरू होगा, मतलब कहाँ से शुरू होगा? यहाँ से शुरू होगा, थोरैसिक वर्टिब्रा। याद है थोरैसिक वर्टिब्रा? 12 नंबर का थोरैसिक वर्टिब्रा से लेके थर्ड लंबर वर्टिब्रा, ये लंबर वर्टिब्रा है, तो ये थर्ड नंबर 3 थर्ड लंबर वर्टिब्रा तक यहाँ पे मतलब किडनी होगा। ठीक है, तो ये किडनी मतलब कहाँ पे देखने को मिलेगा? ये वर्टिब्रल कलम है, तो मतलब दोनों तरफ में है, राइट साइड और लेफ्ट साइड में ये किडनी है। ठीक है, और हम लोग को क्या देखने के लिए मिलेगा? ये रिब केज है, याद है ना? ये रिब केज है, ये रिब केज के अंदर में ये किडनी है। लोअर रिब केज मतलब नीचे का रिब केज है, ये मतलब नीचे में होगा। और हम लोग को क्या देखने को मिलेगा? ये जो लेफ्ट किडनी है, और सॉरी ये राइट किडनी, ये लेफ्ट किडनी है, ये राइट किडनी है। ठीक है, और राइट किडनी थोड़ा नीचे है कंपेयर टू लेफ्ट किडनी। क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे इसके ऊपर में लीवर है, तो उसके कारण मतलब ये किडनी, ये राइट साइड ऑफ द किडनी थोड़ा नीचे हो जाएगा। समझ में आया? ओके, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
what is the peritoneum?
Peritoneum is in your stomach area. Okay, in your stomach area, abdominal area, you can say, just behind the stomach, you can say, for your better understanding, just behind your stomach. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Means behind the peritoneum it will lie. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so now let's see the kidney shape. What is the shape of the kidney? So you will find that this is kidney, and you will find that the kidneys are bean shaped. They are just like bean. You know na bean? You know or not? So kidneys, they are just like bean shaped, and you will find that the length. How long is it? This kidney? It is 11 centimeter long. Okay, it is 11 centimeter long and 6 centimeter wide. Means this area. This area is 6 centimeter, and the thickness of kidney is how much? 3 centimeter. It's 3 centimeter thick. And what is the weight of the kidney? The weight of the kidney is 150 gram. तो ये किडनी दिखने में कैसा है? ये बीन का जैसा है। बीन पता है ना, मटर, मटर का जैसा है। और हम लोग को ये किडनी जो है कितना लंबा है? 11 सेंटीमीटर लंबा है। ठीक है, 11 सेंटीमीटर लंबा है। और ये 6 सेंटीमीटर वाइड है। मतलब इसका मतलब लंबाई कितना है? 6 सेंटीमीटर। और कितना मोटा है? 3 सेंटीमीटर थिक। ठीक है, और उसका वजन कितना है? 150 ग्राम। समझ में आया? Did you understand everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let us see the three areas of kidney. This is the kidney. This kidney, it has got three areas. So the first area, it is known as capsule. This is capsule. This is capsule, which you will find in the outer fibrous capsule. Sorry, outer fibrous. This is the outer fibrous of the kidney. So this one is the first. This one is the first layer of the kidney. It will surround the kidney, means it will be covered up. The capsule, they will cover up the kidney. तो हम लोगों को किडनी में 3 एरियाज देखने के लिए मिलेगा। पहला एरिया क्या है? कैप्सूल है। और ये जो कैप्सूल है, ये मतलब किडनी को चारों तरफ घेर देगा। ठीक है, उसको घेर देगा, मतलब कवर करेगा। और नेक्स्ट क्या है? कॉर्टेक्स। नेक्स्ट इज कॉर्टेक्स। ओके, दिस इज कॉर्टेक्स। ओके, so this is the cortex, and this cortex, it lies where? It lies just next to the capsule. This is your capsule. This part is your capsule, and this cortex, they lie just next to the what? Next to the this one, capsule, and just next to the medulla, you can see. Okay, and the next this one, the next area is medulla. This is medulla, and this medulla, they are like striations. I'll show you here. This is a medulla, and this medulla, they lie where? They lie at the innermost part of the kidney. So this is the innermost part of the kidney, and they lie here. Innermost layer, you can say innermost layer, and they lie here. And you can see that the shape of the medulla is just like a cone. Cone. Did you understand the meaning of cone? C-O-N-E, cone or conical. It means they are just like triangle in shape. And you can see that they are like striations. Striations means what? This line, this line portion, this line portion, or this line shape or figure is known as striations. And inside of this, it lies what? Renal pyramids. It can be also known as renal pyramids, this area. Okay. तो हम लोग को क्या देखने के लिए मिलेगा? ये मेडुला, जो मेडुला है, ये जो मेडुला है सबसे अंदर में है। ठीक है, जो सारे लेयर्स है, ये जो सारे एरियास है, सबसे अंदर में ये मेडुला है। और ये मेडुला मतलब कोनिकल शेप, मतलब ट्राइंगल का जैसा दिखता है। और ये मतलब लाइन है, तो ये लाइन है। और ये जो लाइन है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? रीनल पिरामिड्स। So these are the three layers or three areas of kidney. First is capsule, second is cortex, third is medulla. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Yes, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me. Can
Yes,
you hear
ma'am, I
me?
can hear.
Mirnapur,
Ma'am,
can you
you.
hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us see more closely to the kidney. तो अभी हम लोग गौर से देखेंगे ये किडनी किडनी के अंदर मतलब क्या क्या मतलब है। तो ये किडनी के अंदर मतलब कॉर्टेक्स और मेडुला, यहाँ पे क्या है नेफ्रॉन, हम लोग को नेफ्रॉन देखने के लिए मिलेगा, ठीक है। लेकिन ये नेफ्रॉन मतलब तुम्हारा आंख से दिखाई नहीं देगा, ठीक है, मतलब माइक्रोस्कोप में देखना पड़ेगा ये। So this is the kidney and let us look closer to the kidney. If you see in the kidney, you will find in the cortex and medulla area, you will see nephron. This is nephron. So nephron is also known as the structural and functional unit of kidney. Structural and functional unit of kidney means what? Means in the you will see in the kidney this nephron as well as they will work, they will function, they will do something. It means that. Understand? And you will find that the nephrons, you will find at least 1 to 2 million. 1 to 2 million number of nephrons are there in your kidney. तो ये किडनी में हम लोग को 1 से लेके 2 मिलियन तक नेफ्रॉन देखने के लिए मिलेगा, ठीक है। और ये नेफ्रॉन क्या है, नेफ्रॉन किडनी में भी है और किडनी में होने के नाते ये मतलब फंक्शन भी करता है, मतलब काम भी करता है, ठीक है। समझ में आया नेफ्रॉन? हाँ, this is nephron. Okay, if you look closer it is like this, in this way you will get nephron. अगर गौर से देखने से ये जो पार्ट है ये नेफ्रॉन है। Okay, is it clear? Is it clear everyone till this part?
Ma'am.
हाँ, till this part. Okay, so let us now see the function of nephron. First, the function of nephron is that they will do filtration as well as reabsorption, secretion and excretion. I'll explain to you one by one in the next slide about this. तो अभी हम लोग नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में डिस्कस करेंगे ये फिल्ट्रेशन, रीअब्जॉर्प्शन, सिक्रेशन, एक्सक्रीशन क्या होता है। तो ये नेफ्रॉन है, दिखने में ऐसा है। सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नेफ्रॉन। So first let us discuss how does it look like, what is the names of the different parts of nephron. Let us see it. Okay, अभी हम लोग नेफ्रॉन का पार्ट्स देखेंगे, मतलब ये नेफ्रॉन का पार्ट्स और नेफ्रॉन का नाम अभी हम लोग देखेंगे, ठीक है। तो ये नेफ्रॉन है, दिखने में ऐसे है नेफ्रॉन। तो पहला स्ट्रक्चर में हम लोग को क्या देखने के लिए मिलेगा, ग्लोमेरुलस, ठीक है। ग्लोमेरुलस, ये जो अंदर का जो लाल कलर का है ना, लाल रंग का है, उसको ग्लोमेरुलस बोलते हैं। और ये जो कवरिंग एरिया है, जो मतलब ये जो कवर पार्ट है, इसको बोलते हैं बोमेन्स कैप्सूल। तो ये जो पार्ट है बोमेन्स कैप्सूल। So the first structure which you will find in the nephron is glomerulus, and the glomerulus they are covered by Bowman's capsule, this one. And this Bowman's capsule, they are just like cup shape, C-U-P cup. Okay, they are just like cup shape. Yes, it is necessary. It is necessary to draw and as well as to move. So this is the Bowman's capsule, and the Bowman's capsule, they look just like a cup shape. Understand? ये जो कवर एरिया है इसको बोलते हैं बोमैन्स कैप्सूल. ये बोमैन्स कैप्सूल कप का जैसा है, ठीक है, कप का जैसा है. और नेक्स्ट एंड द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज नोन एज व्हाट? प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूबल. प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूबल. It is also known as PCT. In short form, it is known as PCT. Proximal convoluted tubal. Why? Proximal means what? It is close by. It is close to the glomerulus. That's why it is known as proximal. It is near to the glomerulus. That's why it is known as proximal. Convoluted. Why? Because it is convulsed. Means they are twisted. They are not straight, isn't it? They are twisted. That's why it is known as convoluted. And tubal. Why? Because they are tube shaped. Their shape is just like a tube. Tube. It's not it. So that's why it is known as tubal. तो नेक्स्ट क्या है? प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूबल. प्रॉक्सिमल क्यों? क्योंकि ये सामने है, ग्लोमेरुलस के सामने है, तो इसके कारण प्रॉक्सिमल बोलते हैं. और कन्वोल्यूटेड क्यों? क्योंकि ये कन्व्यूल्स है, मतलब ये सीधा नहीं है, ये ट्विस्टेड है, ठीक है, ऐसे ऐसे है, स्ट्रेट नहीं है, सीधा नहीं है, तो इसके कारण कन्वोल्यूटेड है. ट्यूबल क्यों? क्योंकि ये दिखने में ट्यूब का जैसा है, तो उसकी वजह से ट्यूबल. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज डिसेंडिंग लूप ऑफ हेनली. दिस इज द डिसेंडिंग लूप ऑफ हेनली. इट इज यू शेप. The shape is just like a U. So next is descending loop of Henle. Descending loop of Henle. Next is ascending loop of Henle. This one. Ascending loop of Henle. Fourth one. And fifth one, this distal convoluted tubal. Distal. Why? Because it is far. It is far away from this glomerulus. That's why it is distal convoluted tubal. In short, it's also known as DCT. DCT. And the last is collecting duct. The last is the collecting duct. So these are the parts of nephron. Are we clear about the structure of nephron? I'll repeat again. The first structure which you will find in the nephron is glomerulus. And glomerulus, they are covered by Bowman's capsule. This is the Bowman's capsule. They look like cup shape. And the next is proximal convoluted tubule, also known as PCT. This one. Next is descending loop of Henle. This one. Next is ascending loop of Henle. This one. Next is distal convoluted tubule. Distal. Why? Because it's far. That's why it is distal, known as distal. Convoluted. Why? It is twisted. That's why. Tubule means they are like structure, so that's why it is known as tubule. And the last is collecting duct. Is it clear, everyone? सबको समझ में आया? नेफ्रॉन कैसे दिखने में कैसे है?
हाँ मैम.
Any doubts about the function of nephron? I'll explain to you in the next class. नेफ्रॉन मतलब कैसे काम करता है, मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. For today,
Okay, ma'am.
For today, what we have studied about the urinary system, means about tube kidney. What we have studied. That there is two kidney and two ureter and bladder, urinary bladder, then urethra, studied. And we have discussed about the function of kidney. Also, we have discussed about the areas of kidney. Also, we have discussed about the structure of nephron. So, is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Nishan G. Kashyap, did you understand? निशान जी कश्यप, समझ में आया आज का क्लास?
मैम
समझ में आया निशान? हाँ
यस मैम
हाँ या ना? Okay, that's all for today's class then. Last page. Last page. This one. Himanshu, show me the first page. Okay. This one, Himanshu. Okay. So this is a urinary system or else excretory system. You have two kidneys which secrete urine. Then you have two ureter, means from where urine is coming out. Okay, urine, they pass from the ureter and they will go to the urinary bladder where the urine are stored here, not permanently but temporarily for a short period of time. Then afterwards they will go to this urethra. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Himanshu, are you clear now? Okay, then that's all for today's class. This one, Amiya, this one, Amiya Borderloy. Nephron, they are known as a structural and functional unit of kidney. This one. They are located in between your cortex and medulla. This is your cortex, this is your medulla. Okay. Clear now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then that's all for today's class. Jeet, can you hear me, Jeet?